Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al coming to you about SEI. And things are looking pretty decent right now. We have a little bit of a cool off, which is good for us. All right. So we know that's not going to last forever, but hey, we'll see what the heck is going on here. Whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. But if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. Today, SEI is down just 1%, not bad at all. On the 7 day, it is up about 11%. Let's see what it is on the 1 month. On the 1 month, it is up 84%. On the 1 year, SEI is down. Check this out, 3.4%. This is really good actually because of the fact that it shows that we have so much more room to run on SEI. Let me see how much this thing went up. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just looking at the highs for SEI. The high for SEI was in March of last year at $1.14. From what I'm seeing, SEI is going to be, in my opinion, like I said, not financial advice, but in my opinion, I'm seeing SEI as that crypto that's just going to, even from here, I see it 10x. Just my opinion. It is just really surprising to see how well SEI is doing, to see how well it's being adopted so quickly. But maybe that has a lot to do with the speed of the layer one, etc. But just a heads up on that, guys. SEI is really rocking and rolling. And so it is moving very, very well. Now let's keep it moving a little bit. Noticing the market cap is only like 2 billion. So definitely has a long ways to run. I want to show you this a little bit. This is I think this is my 1 month chart, just showing very quickly how that we're having a nice little, how can I say, a cool off with a little bit of consolidation period. We don't know how long that's going to last, but it appears that it's going this way. Everything appears to be getting to be higher highs and higher lows as well. So just want to keep that in mind to know that most likely SEI is going to go this way and then up, right? So just a heads up on that, not financial advice, but just watch your patterns, see what's going on, and that appears to be what we're looking at. Little stairs there. But let's go ahead and move a little bit further, talking about uh, the overall, how can I say, overall health of the market, so to speak. Bitcoin is going to be at 117,000. Ethereum is going to be at 3,500. So we're hovering about the same amount, which is really, really good. That means we're at a consolidation point, and hopefully, like some of the things that we've been looking at can slow down a little bit. Like even for SEI itself, how it's kind of been able to slow down just a moment because of the fact that things aren't pumping as much right this second. Not saying that they won't later, but just get a little breather here, which works out very well. Fear and greed is at 69. We got the market cap at 3 trillion, 3.86 trillion. So things are going pretty decently. Altcoin season is not here. As you see, it's 39 out of 100, so not anywhere close, but that's okay. Bitcoin is going to be at 61% dominance. Ethereum is at 11% dominance, 11.1. The good part about the Ethereum is the fact that it's in the double digits. We do like to see that. Now, let's give you a little bit of information on SEI, some of the information we talked about. Fastest blockchain. Haven't even seen anybody try to dispute this lately, but don't forget, this is from the website itself. What is this? 3 billion plus transactions. This is insane. Let's see, what's this? 400 milliseconds time to quantify. 100 megas per second. I'm missing that up. My bad. So it says supported by elite global institutions. SEI stands at the forefront of global innovation. We're looking at a lot of heavy hitters in the crypto world. Circle, we got Python, we got Coinbase, Jump. We got a lot of these guys that are heavy in the crypto space. And these are some of your biggest players in cryptos of all. Especially I would say Circle and Coinbase. The other ones are big too, but just saying, not financial advice, right? Just looking at all of the wonderful speed that we're dealing with here. So let's go ahead a little bit further, a little bit. Talk about the ecosystem. We've talked about this before. So let's just keep in mind, let's just hurry up and go to what we got, data and analytics. We got a ton of these right here, CoinGecko, etc. And let's see, DeFi. Got a lot of nice players in the game here. Where else are we going here? Exchanges. Yep. So Binance, we got Bing, we got Bitmart, we got Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin. Crazy that we got so much good stuff going on. Gaming, I'm going to say this. A lot of these games that are on Say, I haven't really heard of as much, but I will say this, from what I've been seeing, the games are moving, are quick moving. They're fast moving, they're fast paced. And so I believe that's why Say gaming is just starting to grow by leaps and bounds, because of the fact that they have that much more speed to offer gamers. And gamers are really, how can I say, gamers are really interested in speed and quick downloads. And that's going to be incredible. That is right up Say's alley. So let's keep it moving a little bit. Do we have any infrastructure here? Liquidity? No, we're doing pretty good. NFTs like OpenSea, I see that. So let's go a little bit further. This is some information. Let's see. Where is this? Coin World. So in this case, this was yesterday. Say Networks, Say token surges 104% in 30 days amid alt season hype. So just to give you guys a heads up, this thing has been on fire. We want to make sure to catch Say in the midst of that. And before, let's go back to this little chart right here. Notice right here, the last few days or hours, etc. Say has been cooling off. I mean, it had been on fire up to this point. So just to give you guys a heads up, I'm looking down here at the bottom. That's about the 15, 17 cents range. Yeah, somewhere around there. So just to give you guys a heads up as where we were about a month ago compared to where we are now, which is basically like 34, 35. Had gone almost all the way up to 40 almost. Looks like it was a good solid, yeah, looks like it was a good solid 38 and a half. So just a heads up, yeah, absolutely surging that high. So we want to realize that we've had a nice little cool off. So let's just say that you were interested in Say and you hadn't got into it yet. At this particular time would be an opportune time to get a position. You wouldn't be able to get the greatest position of all times, but you would still be able to get a position where I would feel like you're gonna easily 5 or 10x your money. So just a little bit of a heads up on that. Like I said, we're not at the alt season as of yet anyways. So if you're looking to get into Say, this would be a great opportunity. Also, you're looking for something that appears to be a sure bet. Say also appears to be like, a home run, to be honest with you. Let's keep it moving a little bit. Now, we talked about Bitcoin. We talked about a little bit of everything. We talked about Say. Let's go here. We talked about 104% in 30 days. Now let's go a little bit further. I got another one of these to mention. This is huge right here. Ondo Finance launches USDY token on Say network for a tokenized US Treasury fund. Can't get much bigger than that, people. Ondo Finance launches the USDY, a tokenized US Treasury fund on Say network, marking DeFi's first layer 1 Treasury bill integration. This initiative enhances institutional DeFi access by offering 24/7 yield-bearing assets with no intermediaries, leveraging Say's high-speed blockchain. USDY's launch strengthens Say's role in decentralized finance, boosting liquidity while bridging traditional assets with blockchain-based solutions. This innovation aligns with growing blockchain adoption in finance, potentially attracting global investors seeking stable, decentralized yield opportunities. So this is an absolute home run. And the fact that they're integrating that, sooner or later, we're going to see a lot of money coming into that later on as well. Top cryptos to buy now. You know it. One of those is SEI. So let's just keep that in mind as we go down. Yeah, this looks like today's information as well. So this is very recent. Where the heck is that? Yeah. So SEI fast layer 1 with rising developer support. SEI doesn't always lead headlines with price updates, but it's gaining respect amongst developers. Built for speed, SEI's layer 1 blockchain is built to handle high transaction volumes at low cost. That's attracting DeFi apps and trading platforms that demand performance. Growing its user base and development activities shows SEI isn't just a fast chain, it's becoming a foundation for serious projects. If current adoption continues, some expect price gains of over, wow, that's a lot, 1,400% by late 25. So just off the article alone, we're seeing, I'm approximating that would be like a 15x from here. Wow, that's like maybe like $4 or $5. So that is crazy. And this is like an article from today. So this is not something that is late, as far as like, this is a very recent article. Just a heads up on it. Keep that in mind. Now, let's try a little bit more information as well. And I think this will be one of our last pieces here. Yeah, like I said, tokenized U.S. Treasury bills are coming to SEI, and it appears to be, SEI is probably a part of that made in the USA tokenage or whatnot. So this is going to be incredible. And so there's truly nothing stopping SEI from moving forward. So I guess the best thing to remind everybody is to make sure that you're on board this when SEI moves forward. Okay, this is talking about the different crypto acts that are passing. RWAs move faster on SEI, absolutely. Now, the part is that we got to understand that SEI is now becoming a key financial player because of the fact that of the fast moving network, and key in a lot of other things as well. So guys, my opinion, this is, if I had to pick a top three surefire home runs for the whole entire crypto market, SEI would be in that top three. I'm just saying, I really don't feel like you can go wrong right now, especially like, if you're like buying under 40 cents, something of that nature. I really see you making a good, I think you'll be happy with what you're seeing. Let me just leave it like that. But anyways, this is Al, Real Life Investing. You guys keep looking at this one. SEI is going to be here to stay. Try to get it as low as you can, but and also get it while you can, because this sucker price will probably be rising. Y'all have a great one. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.